Hello traders, so we have a quick setup which is ready, and this is GBPCHF as you can see on the chart. Before we talk about anything, let's check the date and the time, refresh it. It is 6:03 a.m. Thursday 23rd April 2026. Coming back to the chart here, so I have entered long on GBPCHF. Okay, this is quick intraday setup, and this is my take profit around 15 pips. So I entered on this candle here around 0600, and we're gonna exit sharply at 15 pips profit. Okay, so I'll come back and record when that happens. All right, guys, we're back with our take profit. So this was an interesting trade. Okay, so before we talk about anything, let's check the date and the time. So let's come here and refresh it, and it's currently 9:04 a.m. Friday 24th of April 2026 EST time. We took this trade yesterday on 23rd of April. So it's been like 27 hours. Okay, it took 27 hours to reach take profit of I guess 14-15 pips only. Okay, so do I remember where did I enter? Maybe this candle. Yeah, so this was the candle when I entered long, and the take profit was hit just now. And let me show you, I made $12,000 in only 14 pips. It's not a joke. Okay, so here's my thing. Okay, and we are into the history here. So it says trades. I am not going to show you. There are 2 running trades right now in this account. Okay, so I'm not gonna click on trades, but I'm gonna click on history here. This is the history, and I'll right click. I will click on period, and today we have a couple of trades. The one we are talking about is the bottom one, GBPCHF, which just closed, and net profit is $12,043. $12,043.95. TP is hit. All right, cool. Okay, no problem. So if you want to get these swing setups, then go and join. You will find the link maybe below the YouTube video, or maybe you're already on the page. See you again.